Okay, cutting to the chase here. We're almost at the end of the bath cycle and it just shut off. So if we take a look in the bath, sorry about the lighting here, but the water is nice and dark brown. Not just because of the shadows, but because of all the dirt it cleaned off. So let's check this out. On the brake caliper, notice there is no dirt on that piston there. It is nice and clean. Inside we also have a lot of chrome up in here. And everything has been cleaned out. This piston surface, you can see a little corrosion under where the dirt used to be. But anyway, after a 10-minute bath, this is ready to dry out and bolt back on and use. I left the pads on because I wanted to clean any grease or dirt out of the pads. And my apologies for my bad camera work. Simplest pie, again, that's detergent and water there. And taking a look in the bath, you can see it's very, very brown, icky water. Started out perfectly clear. That's it. That's Michael's 15-minute brake clean. Thanks for watching.